If YouTube won't open or play videos in Microsoft Edge on your PC, it's usually caused by browser cache, extensions, outdated software, or system settings. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix and get YouTube working again. So let's jump right in. Solution 1. Reset browser settings. First up, open your Microsoft Edge. Then click on the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Choose Settings. Now select Reset Settings from the left side menu. Click on Restore Settings to their default values, and then confirm your choice. This will clear any corrupted data on your browser and hopefully fix temporary issues. See if YouTube is working now. Solution 2. Clean temporary files. Press Windows key plus R. Type %temp%. Now click OK. This folder stores temporary files from different apps, but often malware hides here too. Those malware could be causing your YouTube player to show issues. So select all files in this folder, press delete on your keyboard. This will free up space, speed up your computer, and help YouTube work properly again. After deleting it, right-click the recycle bin on your desktop, click Empty Recycle Bin and confirm. Solution 3. Check date and time settings. Click on your Windows search bar, search for Settings, now open it up. Go to Time and Language section, then select Date and Time. Make sure your date, time, and time zone are correct. Enable Set Time automatically if it's off. If it's already on, turn it off. Then back on again for the setting to refresh. Incorrect date or time can prevent YouTube from connecting to its servers. And that's how you can fix YouTube not opening or playing videos in Microsoft Edge on your PC. Follow these steps and YouTube should run smoothly again. If this helped you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech videos just like this. Thanks for watching.